come on, let's declutter. First, let's go through and sort out all the stuff that's garbage.
Garbage. Second, let's throw out all the stuff that is garbage.
Third, let's sort out stuff that is really important and put it to the side. To the side. Fourth, let's look to find stuff that needs to be put away and organized. Fifth, organized. Fifth, let's deal with the very important papers now. Last, papers now. Last, let's deal with the stuff that needs to be put back in their place. Hooray,